Welcome to Sovereign Citizen Legal Encounters. The Sovereign Citizen Griggsby is back. All right, so you know how Judge Perkins is when he has to deal with these sovereign citizens. But what I'm going to do, for those of you who might not have been by the channel before, I'm going to show the first clip and then I'm going to show the second clip, and I'll outline it in the timeline for you, okay? So let's go in. You're going to watch the first one, which is pre-recorded. So you're going to see an intro about me talking about what the case is about. And anything I did in that video, you'll see that. When we get to the second video, I'll take care of you then. All right, let's go. All right, today we're going to be in Judge Perkins' court, where he has a sovereign citizen in there, obviously running the script. But his charges are having no license on his person, expired plates, and no insurance. Let's just go in and see how things turn out on this case and see how Judge Perkins deal with him. Okay, let's go.
Where's Mr. Griggsby's file? Say Kingsbury. Do you want an attorney, Mr. Griggsby?
No, sir.
I didn't think so.
I'm not, excuse me, I'm not, again, I'm in special appearance of Contrell Griggsby, and no.
Well, I need Contrell Griggsby. So whoever, if you're not Contrell Griggsby, then we're gonna put a warrant out. We're gonna put a warrant out for your arrest.
Okay, Judge Perkins on fire today. Is he gonna keep that fire up?
Well, I'm in special appearance of Contrell Griggsby, and whatever.
Right, so I have Contrell Griggsby.
Like I said, I'm in special appearance of Contrell Griggsby, and I do not need an attorney. And he do not, he do not need an attorney.
He don't know what it is?
City of Detroit versus Contrell Griggsby, case number SP168333921, SP1683393, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
And special appearance of Contrell Griggsby Jr., Shuri Juris and Proprio Persona.
That went over my head.
No rights. I do not waive none of my rights.
All right, Woody is today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What do you want to do with these cases?
Should be taking it. First, I want to I've added 2 pieces of documents to the court. I want to put them on a record. And my affidavit of conditional acceptance and my Naturalization Act of 1779. I already had on the record, so
I want to take it. You don't see this phone? All right. Okay, that's on record. What do you want to do with these cases?
I'm fighting.
All right, so you want a trial date?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you a jury trial date. Let a jury of his peers determine whether his innocence or guilt.
His peers can't come because they're sovereign citizens.
Jury trial date, in person. The trial date will be in person.
Jury trial. Can handle this. Can this right be handled in private? I request that my this be handled in private. I don't
know what you're talking about. All court appearances are public.
Yeah, all right.
Let's pass it. We're gonna get a jury trial date, and we'll go from there. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Griggsby. Mr. Griggsby, I'm gonna give you a jury trial date for June 10th, 2025. We have a final pre-trial for June 9th. Which day is June 10th? June 9th will be the final pre-trial. That's gonna be, you don't have to come in person for that. We just want to make sure that all the parties are ready to go. Ms. Mason, can you put your appearance on the record for Contrell Eugene Griggsby?
For the record, Diachiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. Your Honor, where is he on the docket sheet, please?
He's on the page 1 at 835 toward the bottom of the top, the bottom half, top of the bottom half, whatever that makes any sense.
Got it. Got it, Your Honor.
Mr. Griggsby is going to have a jury trial. We set it for June the 10th. Mr. Griggsby is going to be appearing, representing himself, or however he describes it. And I'm setting the final pretrial for June 9th. Mr. Griggsby, you indicated to the court that you had some motions or some documents that you presented to the court. I'm not in possession of those documents. So what I'm going to do is set a motion date. And I'll say the motions are going to be due by May the 23rd, 2025. And if there's a response to the motion, that will be due 7 days later on May 30th, 2025. We have a final pretrial set for June 9th. And all the parties must appear. You don't have to be in person on that, but I want the officer to appear as well, because we want to make sure there's a lot of noise in the background. Somebody's got a lot of noise.
That's going to be it.
I think that might be your background, Ms. Mason. But I want to make sure that that we don't order a jury, and it's not going to be actual trial. So June 9th, final pretrial. June 10th, jury trial. That will be in person. And for all the parties.
Is there since you said you don't have my documents, is there like a way that I could personally send them to you? Like, can I get like an email or something?
You can bring them down to the court.
Okay, cool.
You need to file them the proper way.
Yeah, I came down. I went down to the Coleman Young building. And then they said this is not a felony case. They sent me to 36th district, and 36th district said do it, online. So I did it online in like April.
So if it's online, maybe it's in the system somewhere. You can always drop a copy off with always drop a copy off.
If I may, Your Honor, if I may interject, Your Honor, I'll give Mr. Griggsby my email, and we can communicate through email. Mr. Griggsby, I'll put this in the chat for you, okay?
Yes, thank you. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
And the court's gonna need a copy as well, an original copy, so that'll be, Mr. Griggsby, you have the dates, right?
Okay, I got a date, but no time.
8:30 for the pretrial.
8:30.
And it's gonna be 9 a.m. for the jury trial.
9 a.m.
June 10th. June 10th, so come
June 9th.
June 9th at 8:30 and June 10th at 9 a.m.
All right, and you said I could drop it off down at 36th District Court. So who do I bring it to when I come down there?
You can bring it to the courtroom and bring it to the clerk.
All right, court 434.
All right. If there's nothing further, any
And
further
Mr.
questions?
Hold on, Your Honor, if I may, Mr. Griggsby, I just put my email in chat for you, so you can email your documents for the prosecutor's office. You can email the prosecutor's office at Dia Mason, okay?
Yes, thank you. I appreciate
And
you.
we
I'll
will
see you
send our
now.
documents to you when you email us, so we can email you as well.
Okay. DIA Mason at Detroit. At DETROI.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you,
You're all
okay?
set?
You as well. Peace and love. Thank you. I appreciate y'all.
All right, hearing 1 is down. Now we're up to hearing 2. And this is where we're going to see if he's going to end up in a jury trial. Some of you may have seen it already, but I'm not spoiling it for the ones who haven't. All right, let's go.
City of Detroit versus Contrell Griggsby, case number SP 1683392. 1, SP 1683393, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance on the record, please. For the record, please. Mr. Griggsby.
That's been
No.
Junior.
I don't
On
believe
behalf
that's,
of
Mr. Berry, I don't believe that's necessary. I don't know, Mr. Griggsby, do you want representation or no?
No, sir.
State your name for the record, please.
Special appearance. Contrell Griggsby.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a final pretrial. Where is Ms. Harris? Ms. Snyder? Ms. Snyder, are you here? Let me get Contrell Griggsby's file, please. Set for a jury trial tomorrow.
Can I ask a question?
You may.
Since the last time we spoke, you told me to just bring all my paperwork down there. I wanted to see that you received it. I had brung it down to the courtroom.
I don't really know if it's going to be necessary. I also told everybody that all parties need to appear, and as their Valenstein is here. So no, I didn't get any of your paperwork that I have at the moment. Do you have Contrell Griggsby? No. And what should I expect to see in that or read in that paperwork?
Should I brought my fee schedule down there. I bring me an affidavit, conditional acceptance, and I brought a few things down there.
Now he can mention the fee schedule, but he can't mention the other paperwork he brought down there.
And I had sent them. All right.
Go ahead.
I had last time we talked. You had gave me a lady's email address, and I also sent all the paperwork to her email address.
That's probably the court. Officer Valenstein, good morning to you. Can you, we're on the record with Mr. Griggsby. Can you state your name, department and badge number, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Valenstein, Detroit Police Department, badge number 4744.
All right, very well. Today is the date and time set for a final pretrial. So we do have all the parties here. There's going to be a jury trial tomorrow. I'm imagining that trial is going to go. I would like to have Ms. Schneider here to make sure that you two agree on any jury instructions. I don't know if you've made any, if you've gone over any jury instructions and have an agreement on the jury instructions and things like that, or we'll just read the instructions as they are listed in the, if you have not. So I'm gonna wait until Ms. Schneider comes in. Mr. Griggsby, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Schneider. You two can have that discussion, and then we'll get you out of here. I'll wait till she comes back. But we'll get you out of here, after you talk to Ms. Snyder about how you two are gonna proceed, all right?
Okay, cool. Yes, sir.
All right, let's pass the matter.
Okay, now this part of the video is the part you want to see. Are they staying here for bench trial or are they going to jury trial? You can put it in the comments what you think, but you're not going to know. And don't cheat. Let's go.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Griggsby. Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. The issuing officer is present.
Yes, I've already, spoken with him. So, have you and Mr. Griggsby spoke about, procedure tomorrow?
Yes, Your Honor, we did discuss it. I sent you a chat. Mr. Griggsby has not prepared jury instructions, but he does have a civil infraction along with his misdemeanors. I talked to the officer. We're going to dismiss the 2 misdemeanors. He can proceed with a formal hearing on his civil infraction.
We're not gonna call a jury in for that.
Correct.
What about right now? Mr. Griggsby?
Yes, sir.
So you can either pay the 145 and then we'll close it out, or you can have a formal hearing on that. The officer's here right now on the expired.
I'm having the I want to have a formal hearing for Mr. Griggsby.
All right, are you ready to proceed now, Officer Valenstein?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, it's on you, Officer Valenstein. You want to assist, Ms. Snyder or not? I guess not.
Yes,
Go.
I'm
I'll
all
leave it
forward.
to you, Your Honor.
Say that again.
I'm sorry, I cut out. What was that, Miss?
I was going to say, I'll leave it to his honor.
Oh, okay.
It's up
So,
to you two. I mean, it's a civil infraction of expired plates. Go ahead, officer.
okay. Back on February 19th, 2025 at approximately 6:29 p.m. I was doing traffic enforcement in the area of Grand River and West Grand Boulevard. I seen the silver Chevy driving southbound on Grand River. I did a traffic stop, or I ran the plate, came back that it was expired. Back on December 21st of 2024, pulled the vehicle over, conducted a traffic stop. The driver, Mr. Control Griggsby, stated that, there was no registration for the vehicle.
What I'm curious to know, did he run that sovereign citizen script on the officer on the traffic stop? Because none of that's being talked about.
So you're saying that he admitted that there was no registration for the vehicle?
As far as I recall, yes. There was no registration to show. I mean, as far as everything else, I don't know if you want me to keep going about the insurance or the displayed license, but
No, I don't think that's relevant now, because that's gonna be. So basically, on this date and time, you pulled the vehicle over and the vehicle, for your testimony, the vehicle did not have valid registration, and that you're saying that Mr. Griggsby told you that the vehicle did not have valid registration. Go ahead, Mr. Griggsby, if you want to say more.
Yes. According to
Let me swear you in. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Raise your right hand, please.
I want to.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
As long as I'm not giving up any of my rights.
It looked like he's looking for a line on the script to read.
No, you're not giving. You're just swearing to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Okay, cool.
Say yes or no.
And as long as y'all know I'm in special appearance, yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, or nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. According to Michigan law, I'm only supposed to have my license or anything, license, registration, or insurance if I'm doing commerce, and I'm not doing anything. I was just traveling. I wasn't As I told the officer, I was traveling. I'm only supposed to have a driver's license if I'm like making money or doing anything.
Tired of freezing up in front of the judge? Forgetting your lines mid-sentence? With the Sovereign implant, you'll never miss a beat again. Just whisper your trigger word like jurisdiction, and your entire courtroom script loads directly into your memory. That means no more stuttering when it's time to say, I'm here by special appearance. You don't have jurisdiction. I do not consent. I'm a living man, not the corporate fiction. Our patent neural prompt technology works even when you're behind bars. Why? Because your freedom shouldn't depend on flashcards. Whether you're navigating admiralty law, UCC 1-308, or rejecting that all caps name, Sovereign implant keeps you in control. Powered by Sovereign servers, fueled by maritime energy. Get one today. Call 1-800-UCC-1308. And you can reach us on our website at www.idonotconsent.com.
Like I told him. Same thing I'm telling you.
So you're not disputing the fact that you're not disputing the fact that you didn't have plates on the vehicle, proper registration for the vehicle?
I'm disputing the fact.
I'm asking you a yes or no question.
I'm asking you a question that is.
No, you don't ask questions. I ask the questions.
Well.
So is
Make the owners the mutual device, please.
Did you tell the officer that you didn't have any plates on the vehicle?
I don't recall what I told the officer.
Okay, well, he seems to recall very well. Is there anything further?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Michigan code. As I sent to you, I brung down there and I emailed the lady. Michigan code says that I do not need to register my vehicle. I do not need to have a license unless I'm acting in commerce. And I was not acting in commerce as I told the officer plenty of times. I'm not acting in commerce, so I don't need a license or I don't need to register anything.
I didn't hear the officer testify to that.
All right.
Michigan.
Is that it?
Oh, no. And I sent you my conditional acceptance twice. I sent you all of my paperwork.
I'll let you put it on the record. So I'll let you put it on the record. Is that it?
Yeah, I want to put all my paperwork on the record. Did you receive it?
No, I told you I didn't.
Well, I don't know how. I got the
in this case, I'm gonna tell you this, I don't have to. Find you responsible, $145. When can you pay?
I'm not paying it.
All right, bye. Have a great day, sir.
Yeah, y'all will be hearing from me. You'll be hearing from me, my boy.
$145.
It is.
I'm not your boy, all right?
You want to be.
I'm not your boy, okay? So don't say too much more, sir. I'm just saying you're free to leave. Have a very good day.
I don't know why the sovereign citizens like to try Judge Perkins by saying that, because that's not the first sovereign citizen that said that, and I'm wondering if they're spreading it around. Check this out.
Have a very good day, Mr. Gator. Best of luck to you.
You too, my boy.
Now, how y'all think Judge Perkins gonna handle that? Huh? Mr. Allen.
Ooh.
Not your boy.
All right, all right, I'm sorry.
This is not the streets. This is not the streets. Get out of the streets.
I'm not in the streets. I go to work every day, 9 to 5. I had to call off to be here today.
Mr. Gator.
He talking about the streets. I don't be in the street.
Well, you sound like it. You sound like it. I'm not your boy. All right. Best of luck to you. Officer Valentin, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much, and to your staff as well. Have a great day.
You as well.
Well, that's the end of that video and the end of this sovereign citizen for now. He'll probably be back, and I know he's not going to pay that fine. So I'll just kind of keep a little eye on him and see what goes on with that over time. And also the little video clip I put in there, that's from another case that I covered where he called him my boy. And then there was another sovereign citizen, but I can't think of which one it was that I covered. He did the same thing. They just want to try him sometimes, but you know how it is. Judge Perkins gets upset. He starts making some decisions quick. Have a good day, even or night. See you next time.